I'm going to work on this unit today, try and get this tape that's stuck in here out of here. It's a JVC Super VHS. I think this is going to be a keeper. I got to figure out how to get the darn tape out of this thing. Got this piece off. Set that aside. And trying to figure out where all the screws are. There could be screws underneath here that I can't get to. Looks like there's a screw there. Of course, you can't get it out because these are holding it down, so you can't just... The tape is... These are fully extended, not the tape, but these posts that pull the tape out. And it's stuck in this mode, so could be a mode switch, belt, gear, have no idea. I'll have to look up the service manual and see if I can get a clue or whatever, trying to find out how to get this darn thing apart. Cool. There you go.